Hello. In this video we will look at how a restaurant can do deliveries. We will start by looking at some of the setup that is needed to use deliveries in ROBOTILL Manager. We added drivers and couriers to our setup in Manager. We are using the default delivery slip layout, but you can easily change the delivery slip layout and add more fields if needed. We also added 2 custom payment options that we will receive now that we are doing deliveries. We added an EFT option for bank transfers and an Uber Eats payment option. Deliveries in ROBOTILL are flexible and allows you to do deliveries in various ways. You can do deliveries where payments are received when ordered. For example, online payments and bank transfers. Or, for cash on delivery, we will first look at how a cash on delivery order is done. To start a new delivery order for a restaurant, log into the restaurant module and click on the delivery button. Click on New to start a new delivery order. For the first example, we will select an existing customer that ordered before. The customer's address will already be on the delivery slip. For this example, we will say that the customer placed an order for a friend and that the order must be delivered to a different address. We now simply add items to our order like we would do for any normal table order in the restaurant. Once we added all the items we want, we don't click on Pay, as this is a COD order. Instead, we click on the Delivery button again to return to the delivery options for this order. We can now send the order slips to the kitchen printer so that the kitchen can start preparing the order. We can also print the intermediate bill for the customer as well as the delivery note for the driver. We can select a driver that will be delivering this order. A driver can also be selected at a later time if needed. We can return to the order to add more items, or we can click on Cancel to continue with normal table orders. The order status will now show we are busy with a table order. Once the kitchen has completed the order, we can give the driver the food that must be delivered, as well as the delivery slip and the intermediate bill that we printed. The customer's address will be shown on the delivery slip, as well as the alternative address we added in the delivery notes. The items that must be delivered will also be displayed. The driver can give the intermediate bill to the customer, so that he can receive payment. Once the driver is ready to leave with the order, we can select the order and mark it as dispatched. We can then again click on Cancel to carry on with normal table orders. We can also at any time select deliveries to add or update any deliveries. When our driver returns, we again select the order. We mark the order as delivered. The order will still stay in our list. Although it is delivered, we have not yet added the payment. To add the payment, we select the sale to complete it. We receive the cash from the driver and add the cash payment. The order will now be removed from the list. It is now completed as it is delivered and paid. If we need to, we can also look at orders that were already completed within any date range we choose. We will now look at how to do a delivery order that is paid up front. Examples would be an online order from your website, or a telephone order where the customer does a bank transfer before you deliver the order. For our second example, we will create a new customer. We can use the delivery note for any special delivery instructions. Again, we add items to our order. This time, we select Pay as the customer did the payment. This time, we will need to send a receipt with the driver instead of an intermediate bill. The receipt will be printed when you do a payment, unless you have selected not to print receipts by default. In that case, you can simply use the Print Last Receipt option. The sales status will show that the order is paid. You can select a driver and send the order to the kitchen. You can also print the delivery note for the driver. Once the order is ready to go, you can mark it as dispatched. You can of course continue with other orders while you wait for the driver to deliver the order. Once the order has been delivered, you can mark it as delivered. There are reports to keep track of deliveries, delivery times and drivers. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.